I was 19, studying until 2 a.m. every single night, waking up looking absolutely destroyed. Dark circles, dry skin, zero energy, and zero money to fix any of it. Every guy around me had a whole grooming routine. I had a tight budget and a problem I couldn't solve. Then I found something that fixed 5 different appearance problems for less than $2. You already own it, or your mom does. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to look at it completely differently. 1. Fragrance. Quick question before I explain this. Why do you think guys with cheaper cologne sometimes smell better than guys wearing $100 bottles? Think about that for a second. It's not the cologne, it's what's underneath it. Here's what nobody tells you. Your skin absorbs fragrance, and it's gone within a few hours. Doesn't matter what you paid for it. Dry skin holds nothing. Here's how. Heat a jar of Vaseline until it melts completely. Let it cool slightly. Warm, not hot. Spray your cologne directly into the melted Vaseline. As many sprays as you want. More spray, stronger hold. Put it in the fridge for 3 hours until solid. Now, every time you apply it on your pulse points, neck, wrists, collarbone, you just answered that question from earlier. That's why they smell better. They're holding the scent instead of letting it disappear. And just like that, I've changed the way you'll use fragrances forever using just Vaseline. 2. Hair. If your hair loses shape by noon, goes frizzy, or just never cooperates, the problem isn't your hair type. The problem is there's nothing sealing the moisture in. Rice grain. That's the amount of Vaseline you need. Work it through the ends only, not the roots. The ends. Natural shine. Frizz gone. Shape that holds. And it won't look greasy. As long as you keep the amount tiny. Overdo it and you'll look like you haven't showered since Tuesday. But I'm not done yet. If you really want to look more attractive, I'll give you 3 more tips that no one has ever told you before. 3. Lips. This one sounds harsh, but it's true. You can have a clean haircut, good skin, sharp brows, and dry, cracked lips will quietly undo all of it. People notice. They won't say anything, but they notice. Most lip balms don't actually fix this. They just coat the surface, and your lips get used to needing them every 2 hours. Nothing heals. You just stay dependent. Here's the actual fix. After brushing your teeth, dip your toothbrush in a little coconut oil and gently work it across your lips for about 30 seconds. It removes the dead skin and gets some blood moving to the surface. Your lips will already look better just from this step. Then apply a thin layer of Vaseline straight after. It locks everything in and lets your lips repair while you sleep. 3 nights in a row, you'll see it. 4. Razor burn. Most guys put nothing on after or use an aftershave that stings and dries the skin out even more. After your next shave, once your face is dry, apply the thinnest layer of Vaseline across the shaved area. Jaw, neck, everywhere the blade touched. It seals the skin barrier. Back up immediately. Redness calms down. The bumps don't form because there's nothing left exposed to irritate. Your face, an hour later, looks like you just got the shave done, not like you did it yourself in a hurry. Clean jaw is one of the highest impact things on your face. Don't let razor burn take it away. 5. Dark circles. Okay, this is the one I mentioned at the start. When I was studying late every night, I developed dark circles that made me look permanently tired. Not just tired, older, like I was already worn out at 19, and I couldn't afford eye creams. The decent ones are $40, $50, $60. That wasn't happening. So I started doing something out of pure necessity, and it worked. Every night before bed, apply a very thin layer under each eye. Don't rub, pat gently, then in the morning splash cold water on your face or hold 2 ice cubes wrapped in a cloth there for about a minute. The cold helps reduce the puffiness. Do it consistently for 2 to 3 weeks. I started this when I had no money and no other choice. Most guys are out here spending money they don't have on products they don't need, chasing results they could get for $2. Soft lips, cologne that lasts all day, hair that actually cooperates, a jaw that looks clean hours after shaving, and dark circles that stop making you look like you're already tired of life. 1 jar. That's it. I didn't figure this out because I was smart. I figured it out because I had no other option. And honestly, I'm glad I did, because now I know what actually works. Go get a jar tonight. Run through these in order. And if you want more of this, subscribe, because I upload new useful video every week.